I think I have it somewhere on CD. Or I had it on a record. Oh, how nice!
Excuse me!
Another worthy moment. What is it with these morons?
Start recording emergency video.
But I think especially knowing that she was too young to be put. Oh! God!
We're in the car. He's going somewhere now. Oh, yeah, look. Are they chasing someone?
They're chasing someone.
They are?
Yeah.
This guy? Oh shit, is he getting followed? Oh, you see that?
That's him.
Oh, that's him. Seriously?
Yeah, it gotta be. Catch him. Catch him, he turned, yep.
Did anybody lose him?
No, bro. He's gone. Ain't even Mercedes-Benz.
He's gone, right?
Gone.
Well, the chopper still has him, though.
Oh yeah, the chopper. What the chopper?
Alright, you wanna play like that? Alright. 5 literally freaking cut me off and freaking brake checked me. We're heading towards MLK. I don't know which direction that is exactly.
Special treats for my little brother and sister. Nothing big, just a Switch and some games. She thought I was wasting my savings, and that if I had extra, she could use it better. I don't know why, but I told her that I won the money, and now she won. It's half the answer, and I should give a tithe and offering to the church. I go to church, but I don't think I believe in it. I told her no, and she said I had to move out then. So I did. I went to a hotel. My bank put me in contact with a real estate agent, and I'm buying an apartment. Just one room, it's outside of my house.
You basically did all this just to get me arrested.
Well, you were talking to her.
What the hell is that? And again, we can't just move past this shit.
How do we move past this? How about this? How about you apologize to the cop, and then maybe he can move it on? I'm just telling the cop right now.
And they're harassing the employee invited a couple of people to have sleep there. The sergeant's here, Joe. I feel like talk to him. Is there any get past this?
Finally. Oh, that was like you just threw garbage out your vehicle. Oh my flippin' Lord.